post-game press conference. Congratulations to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the Adamson Soaring Falcons 69-57. The Fighting Maroons are unbeaten in 5 games. We have Coach Goldwin Monteverde, Terrence Portea, and Kentin Meliora Brown. Coach Goldwin, congratulations for this victory. Pero humabol muna kayo from a 22-point deficit in the first half, and then nakabawi kayo nung second half and led by as much as 16 points. So, anong sinabi mo sa mga boys nung halftime? Anong sinabi sa kanila?
Well, sometimes naman may mga game na ganoon talaga na, we were really trying to execute offensively in the first half. But then, yung shots na namin was not falling in. So, napag-usapan na just, stick with the game plan, just work as a team, look for better shots. At the same time, on the other end, syempre, ang dami yung defense in Anderson in the first half. So, we had to remind each other na defense we need to work for it.
Thank you to Terrence. You have 13 points on 4-4 field goal shooting, 5 rebounds, 2 steals, and 1 assist. So, yun nga, ikaw yung isa sa mga susi sa third quarter ninyo. So, ano masasabi mo na naitawid nyo yung panalo at double digits pa kahit lamang ang Adams sa 22 points?
Actually, hindi naman ako yun. Siguro kasi atin, di lang kami tumigil. Siguro bonus lang sa side ko na shoot yung tira ko. Pero siguro as a team pa rin, kaya namin ako yung panalo.
Thank you, Terrence. And UMB, you had 11 points, 14 rebounds tonight. So what can you say about your team effort?
After that first quarter, I thought that we did a great job responding. I thought that our first quarter we came out a little stagnant, flat, couldn't get shots, wasn't getting stops on defense from the game plan that we had planned for. But I thought that there was great response by everyone to understand our shots are going to come and to just stay patient and ready for when the time came.